Hi, I'm David Wilson from TBS Cymru, and today I want to talk to you about WHQS. So what is WHQS? It stands for Welsh Housing Quality Standards, and it defined a quality standard for all social housing. And it was set by Welsh Government, set down by about 2002 and revised in 2008. And with the aim of all the work to be done to bring housing stock up to a set standard by 2020. And there were about 42 individual elements grouped together in about 7 categories. And so why am I talking about this? Well, the work's been done, most of it, to get WHQS standards done. And now we're looking at the next set of standards. Imagine it'll be called WHQS 2. And a bit unlike other sequels and books, you think, oh, what's this going to be? WHQS 2 is going to be a much higher standard, and that's got to be a good thing for you and for social housing in Wales. So later this year, Welsh Government are going to be doing a consultation, and we want your voice. Your voice really matters in setting what these new standards are going to be. And we've been talking to Welsh Government, and we've seen so far talk about certain things being in there. So things like making homes more energy efficient, producing less carbon. We're also hoping to see something around flooring. This is something TBS Cymru have campaigned hard about and really have been pushing Welsh Government about. We also want to see some standards around broadband and digital connectivity. So we think those 3 are going to be in there, but we haven't seen anything yet around electrical charging points for vehicles, and that concerns us. We know that the UK government is going to be scrapping the sale of new diesel and petrol cars in the next couple of years, and that's something Welsh Government now needs to think about in terms of how are we charging points going to work in Wales. So, as I say, as you'd expect from TBS Cymru, when this consultation comes out, we want to get you involved, you the tenants, and have your say. So we're running a number of events about what is in the consultation, what you want to see in there, what's been proposed so far. And the other thing I think it's important, we've been talking about this in the office today, is we want to support you with training and support on really how these standards are going to be implemented. How is your landlord going to be accountable? How do they intend to deliver this? And how you can track this progression. So if this is of interest to you, do get in touch with us so we can get you involved early in the consultation. I hope this has been of interest. Diolch yn fawr.